100,000 ain't no money. I'm trying to put you on to something. Exotic trips about the country. How you waking up in London? Declining.
First name too tough like the shit. Now I got him running. Thought that I was struggling, but I had enough of it. Can't move away from getting assistance from the government. Wake up in the morning and a nigga get the hustling. First name too tough like the shit. Now I got him running. Thought that I was struggling, but I had enough of it. Can't move away from getting assistance from the government.
Loose lips, they sink shit was some shit that I had to confirm. I ain't never had on a nigga, I was the type to wait my turn. I ain't never waited on a nigga, that's some shit that they had to learn. Got shit twisted like locks, but I'm the type to straighten shit like perms. See me get it out the dirt, but you still mad about the shit that I earned. I ain't even mad, my nigga, I just wanna know what made you turn. Beating around the bush.
Instead of speaking on what's inside of you, show me this loyalty more than once, and nigga, I still try to ride for you.
Wake up in the morning
And a nigga get dancing, first time too tough like the shit. Now I got him loving it. Thought that I was struggling, so I had enough of it. Came a long way from getting assistance from the government. Wake up in the morning, and a nigga get dancing, first time too tough like the shit. Now I got him loving it. Thought that I was struggling, so I had enough of it. Came a long way from getting assistance from the government.
I'm barely getting started, that mean I'm far from finished. I don't believe in luck, I had to go and get it. My funds is running low, I had to go replenish. Hustling non-stop, pushing past the limit. I'm barely getting started, that mean I'm far from finished. I don't believe in luck, I had to go and get it. My funds is running low, I had to go replenish. Tried going dumb, so I gotta move the smartest. Never been the richest, but I always been the hardest. These other niggas selling trash, man, they music garbage. I got a passion for this shit, so I became an artist. I just got another plug, got me learning Spanish.
Living on my Call of Duty, my life a battlefield. Been taking losses way too long, like something gotta give. Some of my niggas can't find no jobs, cause Robert ain't on the skill. Getting cash ain't hard at all, you just ain't got the wheel. Trapping at the Walmart, nigga, I'm this target. Had to put it on the floor, like this shit was carpet. Four-wheel drive on the farm, had to double park it. Accidentally bust a boat, and it felt like I'm last time I hit the baby, she said I'll get her kidney. I slowed down on that track, I'm thinking about my kidney. The boss really got keep from low, tell him get it with me. I'll pull up on a nigga, pull an extra penny. This shit's on up, I let the price and still gon' pay the ticket. Niggas not on the dick when I come through with cricket. I done seen some crazy things and stranger vision. I'm just sticking to the toe and talking to vision. Started off with you, the boy, but now it's a vision. Tried to disguise the head with up, but I know that they ended. I swim it till it's empty. I'm ready to chill, empty. My life a battlefield. Been taking losses way too long, like something gotta give. Some of my niggas can't find no job, cause Robert ain't on the skill. You just ain't got the wheel, ain't living out my Call of Duty, my life a battlefield. Been taking losses way too long, like something gotta give. Some of my niggas can't find no job, cause Robert ain't on the skill. You just ain't got the wheel. Try one and take it every for an hour through the platform, stop me, man. All the pieces on the floor, man. I came right here to show y'all what I do, man. This is what I do for my life, bro.
Say for that's my time now, and they ain't believe me.
Hey, we in the CPs, right?
No, they ain't believe me.
I can't go with this shit all the way to here, man.
I said for that's my time now, and they ain't believe me.
A lot of niggas count
No, they ain't believe me.
I told them keep count. Hey.
I said for that's my time now, and they ain't believe me. My life been hella hard, I make it look easy. I get it with my all, and you still deceive me. I'm in a
Kill my old bitch, I feel like peasy. I said finesse my time now, and they ain't believe me. My life been hella hard, I make it look easy.
I gave that boy my all and he still deceived me. I'm in overkill mode, bitch, I feel like peasy. I'm in overkill mode, better up your defense. I'm just tryna up the score, it ain't looking even. I was all about the team till the team got greedy. Had to cut them niggas off, they was moving greasy. Talk down behind my back and act like I wasn't needed. Said some lame shit about me too, but I won't repeat it. Don't judge that book by its cover, repeat the words you read it. I work my way to the top, most of these niggas cheated. I said finesse my time now, and they ain't believe me. My life been hella hard, I make it look easy. I gave that boy my all and it's
Damn, rolling with Reefah, what a weed at?
Oh God, I got gas right now.
It was good.
Oh God, I